Yo, let me tell you something. For the people out there that use guns and bombs to save your life and you can't defend yourself in self defense or know how to use a sword, you're gonna be screwed against people that are samurais and ninjas. If they dodging those bullets that you shoot and your gun goes jammed, and then you be like, whoa, what the world? And you don't know what to do when they come up on you and end up slicing you, that's your own fault for relying on guns. A lot of us humans have been weakened by vaccines and everything that we gotta rely on guns just to feel superior. Nobody don't want to learn self-defense and know how to use a sword because most humans are lazy. I'm gonna tell you this: self-defense with martial arts and learn how to use a sword like a samurai and a ninja is gonna help you out in life and death situations. Guns is not gonna help you when you're going against skilled fighters. It's not, because learning self-defense and learning the art of using a sword is more honorable than like fighting with some guns. Like literally, come on, man. A lot of humans that use guns don't even question this. It is sad, man. That's all I got to say. I know me. I'll definitely keep learning how to master my self defense abilities and learn how to use a sword, because it'll be a point in times where guns ain't gonna help me out. Going against skilled fighters, especially if I'm going against different type of beings from the demon realm that run society. I gotta know how to handle these reptilians, these Daros, iguanoids, the gray aliens, all these other type of demon realm beings with self defense and swords. I gotta know how to be on the multiverse level and higher planes.